Hi everyone, welcome back with another video of Excel tutorial series. In this video, we will see how to take transpose of a data or array in a Microsoft Excel. So without further ado, we will just open up our Microsoft Excel and we will start exploring our data set. As you can see that our data set contains 6 columns and there are about 10 rows. So first a column is about the invoice ID, then the date of invoice, then quantity, unit price, tax 5% included, and the total amount. We will jump into our first method of taking the transpose using the transpose function, the formula to take the transpose of an array. To do so, you just need to select any of the cell and you need to type the transpose formula, which is you have to give the keyword of the transpose and you need to select the entire array, like A1 to F11. Now just close the bracket and hit the enter. You can see in blink of an eye, Excel has taken the transpose of our data. I'll just highlight some cells to make it look better. Now it's looking better. The first method is completed here. Now we will move on to the second method, which is by using the paste special feature. Okay, to do so, you just need to select the entire data of which you want to take the transpose and either use the shortcut key Ctrl+C to copy this data, or you can do it by just clicking this button here. And now just select any of the cell, go to the paste and expand it and go to the paste special, click on values and then check the transpose option and click on OK. Now you can see that your data has been transposed using the paste special method. Now we will move on to our third method, which is actually the taking transpose using Power Query method. For that, you just need to select the entire data range of which you need to take the transpose of. Just go to the data and click on from the table/range option. Yeah, now you can see that it opens a Power Query editor for you. You just need to go to the transform option and click on the transpose button. You just need to make sure that you check the option of use first row as headers and click on the transpose. Now close this window and keep the changes. Like you can see that Excel has created the transpose of that particular array or data in the separate sheet for you. So these were the 3 methods of taking the transpose in Microsoft Excel. I hope you like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day. Bye.